PUBG Mobile left fire button. How to enable and position left fire button on PUBG Mobile. To enable and position the left fire button on PUBG Mobile, once you are within the game or on the game, tap on this gear icon from the top right hand side, which is the settings icon right here. So make sure to tap on the settings icon. On the right hand side of settings icon, you can go to the option called customize right here, and you can see various options over here. So once you're under customize and you're on controls, you can see character, vehicles, or special layout over here. So let me select, let's say, character, for example. So what you have to do from here is basically you can see left movement, right fire, fixed button. You can tap on the customize button next to it and you can customize your settings right here. So I'll just go ahead and then select that particular option right here. And once I've selected that, the second thing I can also do is when I'm on controls, you can see the first option called display left side fire button. I can choose this to always on, scope on, or disable. So by customizing those settings, I'll be able to enable and position left fire button in PUBG Mobile. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.